Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. So in previous video, you have learned about the main characters of this story and about the fair which was held in Rashid's village. Now in today's video, you will learn about how did Rashid visited the fair and what did he see in the fair. So look into your book, paragraph number 4. Bhaiya and I went from shop to shop. There were many things I would have liked to buy, but I waited for uncle to return. Then we came to what was called the lucky shop. The shopkeeper was neither too young nor old. He was a middle-aged man. He seemed neither too smart nor too lazy. He wanted everybody to try their luck. There were discs on the table with the numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. All you had to do was to pay 50 paise, pick up any 6 discs, add up the numbers on the disc and find the total. The article marked with that number was yours. So as I told you in the third paragraph that in the fair Rashid's uncle met some of his friends and he wanted to spend some time with them. So his uncle left Rashid with his worker and went alone with his friends. Then Rashid also started visiting the fair. He went shop to shop with his bhaiya. They saw that in the fair there were so many things of his choice which he wanted to buy, but because his uncle instructed him not to buy anything from that fair in his absence, so he did not buy anything. Instead, he was waiting for his uncle. So while walking in the fair, they reached a shop named Lucky Shop. The shopkeeper of that lucky shop was a middle-aged man, neither too young nor too old. He was not lazy, if was not very active. He was expecting the visitors to his shop to try their luck and played that lucky game. So, for playing that lucky game, there were few discs with the numbers from 1 to 10. People could pick up any 6 discs after paying 50 paise. Then add up those disc number and match the total count with the article marked the same number. If they were able to do so, it means if they are able to match the disc number with the article, so the article could be theirs. So this is how the lucky game was played on that lucky shop. Now come to the next paragraph. An old man paid 50 paise and selected 6 discs. He added up the numbers on them and found the total was 15. He was given the article marked 15, which was a beautiful clock. But the old man did not want a clock. The shopkeeper obliged him by buying it back for 15 rupees. The old man went away very pleased. So what happened? When Rashid was standing in front of that lucky shop with his bhaiya, an old man came there on that lucky shop and picked up 6 discs after paying 50 paise. Then he added up the numbers printed on those discs and total counts was 15. So the shopkeeper gave him article marked 15, which was a beautiful clock. But that old man had no interest in that clock, so the shopkeeper did a favor to him and bought back that clock from him, paying 15 rupees. So the old man felt very happy and taking 15 rupees, he went away very happily. Now come to the next paragraph. Then a boy a little older than I tried his luck. He got a comb worth 25 paise. The shopkeeper looked neither happy nor sad. He bought that comb from the boy for 25 paise. The boy tried his luck again. He now got a fountain pen worth 3 rupees. Then he tried a third time and got a wristwatch worth 25 paise. Then he tried again and got a table lamp worth more than 10 rupees. The boy was happy and went away with a smile and a good deal of cash. So when the old man went away from that shop, a young boy, a little older than Rashid, came there and paid 50 paise to try his luck. So first time that boy won a comb of 25 paise. So the shopkeeper showed a natural response. He was neither happy nor sad and bought back that comb for 25 paise. Then the boy again paid 50 paise and tried his luck, and this time he won a fountain pen of 3 rupees. Then he again tried his luck, and this time he got a wristwatch worth 25 rupees. One more time he paid 50 paise, and this time he won a table lamp of a value more than 10 rupees. So the shopkeeper bought back all things which the boy won and paid the price of each article. Now the boy was very happy to have such a good deal of his money and went away from that place with a lovely smile on his face. So this is your today's lesson. I hope you all got it very clearly. And what happened next, we will see in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.